To make this work on the soprano, the alto, and the tenor, let's say for instance, if the soprano sings, let's make this soprano, make this alto, and make this the tenor. If the soprano is singing a sol, solfas, a sol, and we are on chord 1. Now these things are called chord patterns. What do I mean? Chord 1 is a major chord. You might not worry yourself so much about this, but as we get on, I will explain it some more. Chord 1 is a major chord, chord 2 is a minor chord, chord 3 is a minor chord, chord 4 is a major chord also, chord 5 is a major chord, chord 6 is a minor chord, chord 7 is a diminished chord, and chord 8, which is chord 1 also, is a major chord. Now, if we are on chord 1, and let's say we want to make chord 1, and soprano is singing so. Now, what will alto sing on a normal day if soprano sings so on chord 1? It means that as soprano sings so, alto will sing mi, and tenor will sing what? Do. That makes up the chord 1. Now, you need to understand how this works very well. Peradventure, we are on chord 1 and soprano is singing mi. I hope you're following me today. If soprano sings mi and we are still on chord 1, what will alto sing? Don't forget, the first thing you must understand is that soprano is always higher than alto. They are both females, but soprano sings higher than alto, and tenor becomes the male part that goes under. So if soprano is on mi, what will alto sing if we're on chord 1? I hope nobody is saying so, because so in this part is higher than mi. So if soprano sings mi, it means that alto will sing do, and tenor will sing what? Tenor will sing the lower so. So it becomes soprano being the highest, alto follows, and tenor. Now, in scoring of song at this point, let me let you know that there's what we call an open score and a closed score. When do we say a score is closed? A score is closed in a situation whereby soprano sings mi, alto sings do, and tenor sings so. But some composers, on the other hand, will say if soprano is singing mi, let alto sing so, but it will be the lower so now, and let tenor sing the do. So in this case, they are not following the sequence. So we say it is an open score in this case, but in this case, where they follow the sequence, we say it is a closed score, because they follow the pattern the way it is. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Now, if you have this and you have understood it to this part, I want you to also know that in contemporary singing, most times, composers use the closed score, which makes our work very easy. They use the closed score. So for today, I'm going to give us a very simple example that I have on the board. We are getting deeper and deeper into song scoring. Now, what I have on the board now is just praise the Lord, oh my soul. And I came out with a simple composition that will help us understand how it works. Our key is do, and this song is praise the Lord, oh my soul. Can we sing it together? Praise the Lord, oh my soul. And I told you with scoring a song, the first thing is that you need to get the do of your key if you want to transcribe to solfas, so that you'll be able to deal with it. So if our key is do, and we sing praise the Lord, does that sound like do, do, do? No, because our do is do. So don't forget your do, re, do, mi, do, fa, do, so. And we are singing praise, so it sounds like so. So we have praise the Lord. I told you can try to hum. It goes oh, oh, oh. And if you hear the sounds, you know that they are the same. So it is so, so, so. Then we have oh my soul. Are we going up or coming down? It sounds like we're coming down. So at that part, it becomes so, oh. That is fa, mi, do. So praise the Lord, oh my soul. Good. Now, using the simple song, if soprano is singing so, what will alto sing? Right? Alto will sing me. I told you that alto cannot sound higher than soprano in contemporary singing or in music generally. So if soprano sings so, alto will sing me. And what will tenor sing? That is very straightforward. Following the triads, tenor sings do. I hope that part is clear. So we have so, fa, mi, do. So at this point, when we have fa, mi, do, what will alto sing? Alto will now sing re, do, so. That's the lower so. While tenor sings do, la, so, mi. So if you look at it now, let me explain it some more so that you understand what I'm saying. At this point, soprano sings so, alto sings mi, and tenor sings do. The first question is, from the triads on the board, which chord is this? It's clear that this is chord 1, right? And it goes to this point. But at this second point, soprano sings fa, alto sings re, and tenor sings la. Now you have to be careful here. Look at this. Which chord is this? The first thing that comes to your mind is it chord 2? Is it chord 4? You have to look at the notes involved. You have fa, you have re, and you have la. Which of the chords have these 3 notes? Here, you can see that you have fa here, but you have re here, and this is a T. So that means it's not what we're talking about. The only chord that goes with fa, re, and la is chord 2. I hope it's clear. So that's what we have here. Then, so this is chord 1, this is chord 2. Then we have this soprano doing mi, alto doing do, and tenor doing so, which is back to chord 1. Then the last note, we have do on soprano, we have so on alto, and we have mi on tenor. And that is still chord 1. So it goes, praise the Lord, oh my soul. What? Which is so, fa, mi, do. And alto sings mi, re, do, so. And tenor sings do, la, so, mi. Now, if you put these 3 together, you will get the full harmony of the simple song I have just put down. I want you to try this on any simple song you know. Try to use this pattern of chord of solfas, the triads, to score your songs, and let's see how it goes. In the next class, I am going to score Every Praise is to Our God, the song we scored in our 3rd class. And I will show you how we're able to use solfas to get the 3 parts, and you understand some more how song scoring works, especially the closed score pattern, which is mainly used in contemporary singing. My name is Promise Iluba. I'm a music coach, I'm a music minister, and I'm a music director. Hope to see you in the next class. Cheers.